Another disclaimer, I have to do shots in my routine. So, like, watch out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah here. How you doing? I'm doing pretty well. But today, we have a video that I am so excited to help you guys with. Like, help me with it, actually. I feel like everyone has gotten acne in their life. Maybe not severe acne like I have had, but there was a time I had really bad acne, and today I want to show you guys how I cleared all of it up naturally. I didn't use Accutane, any of the medications, or the topical ointments, whatever they are. I did this all through gut health and diets, which is really hard, I feel like, at my age, but I was able to do it and clear my skin, and now I'm so happy. Before I get into all this and show you guys all the different things that I'm taking, I need to give a disclaimer that I am not a doctor. This is just my personal opinion and what I have found has worked for me. Another disclaimer, I have to do shots in my routine. So, like, watch out. So I first went to a dermatologist and they told me to use this cream right here. They gave me this. They prescribed it. It is called tretinoin. It is a topical ointment and it is 0.25%. So it's like lowest percentage you can get. So I started using that cream in February and I had something called a purging stage, which means it literally brings everything in your skin out to the surface, and I had the worst acne visibly that I've ever had in my entire life. It took me so long in the morning to get ready for school because I used so many different concealers, so many different powders, foundations, primers, like anything to just make it look like I didn't have acne. Just really overall, I feel like a lot of people don't talk about how mentally challenging it is to have acne. Like, I seriously was like, I feel like almost depressed. I went to Mexico, and you shouldn't be in the sun when you're on this cream because it can also like scar pretty bad with your acne scarring. So I went off the cream. So the housekeepers of the house in Mexico had seen my acne because it was very visible. They saw my acne and told me to start using avocado, just straight avocado. So I have one right here. So what you need, one avocado, preferably ripe, fake knife, a bowl, and a spoon. So we're just gonna cut all the way around. I'm not like a professional. Now let's open it. You need a half and a half an avocado. So save this side for a later day. Put it in like a plastic baggie because when they get brown, I'm telling you, it's disgusting and you don't want to put it on your face. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna scoop it into my bowl. It doesn't look like a lot. It'll be enough for your face. And then you're just gonna take your spoon and you're literally gonna start mashing like this. Can you do this for me? My mom's gonna do this for me because I'm like not talented. My mom's gonna get mad at me because she thinks I do these like little digs at her. I like it when my dad mashes it better because...
You said that this morning about the coffee.
Because my dad does make better coffee. My dad is just, I think, more talented in the kitchen than my mother is. But that is because my mom makes the money, my dad makes the food. That's just how it works. It's cute. It's really green. I'm not gonna put it on today because I have like my face beat so I can show y'all like I have no acne. I do it every single night. I leave this on for about an hour or like 30 minutes and then I just take a wet washcloth and I wipe it off my face and then I just wash my face after that. And my dad, if there's leftovers, he'll eat it, which is so gross. And also with the avocado mask, I noticed a difference almost immediately after like a day or two. My skin was a lot smoother. There wasn't as much texture and my scars had lightened up. But make sure before you do this that you test on your skin. Make sure you don't have allergic reactions so you can't sue me if you die. Then this helped clear up my cystic acne, so the acne under my skin. It also made my scarring lighter and just like I had skin texture obviously too, and that just helped with like the tiny bumps everywhere to go away. I also, this was a big part of it, I went lactose free. I still have not had lactose. I don't know when I'll be able to have lactose again, but it was a big first step and that's the diet that I was on. So there's the first like 3 diets that you try for acne. The biggest one is lactose. You first try lactose free. If that doesn't work, then you try gluten free, and then if that doesn't work, you try sugar. So lactose cleared up the little bumps on my forehead. So I still don't eat lactose because I don't want those to come back. Then I started vitamins, celery juice shots, powders. I'm gonna show you all of it. This is purifying it from the inside out. So basically a big thing about acne, it's from the inside, like it's what you're putting inside your body. So your gut health is a huge part of it, and this help clears your gut from toxins, and that helps clears your skin. I didn't want to give up gluten and sugar, so I tried gut health and that helped me. But if this doesn't help you, then I would recommend the other 2. Okay, so then I watched this video. It's called How I Cleared My Skin in 30 Days Naturally, and it's from Christina X Makeup. I watched that video with my mom and we did all the stuff that she did. I do it my own different way that works for me, but with the same kind of concept and products. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. It's kind of a lot, but it takes me 10 minutes every night. So first, I have organic bee pollen. Bee pollen is literally like honey, but in like little like chunks. So I take like about this much bee pollen and I literally just eat this. It tastes sweet like honey, but the texture is just weird. It's like powdery. Then I go ahead and I take my 3 pills. The video that I watched, she goes into like how it works and the reason why it works. I put my faith in her. I put my trust the process in her, and it worked. So trust my process too. I use this Zinc 30, just a white little capsule. Okay, so my next pill, this wasn't in the video. This is a hair and nail pill from Phyto. It's a cute little brown one. The last one is the biggest one. It is a pantothenic acid from the brand Now. Like a little doctor over here. So that's the biggest pill. If you don't know how to take pills, I'm sure you can find it in a powder form, but I would learn how to take pills. It just helps your life a lot. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do my shots. This is the drink that we'll be having today. Pure just celery juice, organic. Tastes like actual grass. Like if you blended grass and started drinking it. This helps with inflammation, and I feel like this is low-key what clears my gut. Now we're gonna go ahead and we are going to pour my shot. I'm really bad at this. It's too far away. Okay. Who's peeing? Like, guys, like just go to the bathroom. So here's my shot. So I'm gonna do my first shot and then I'll add the powders to the next one. Good one. It never gets better. I actually do think when I first tried these, it was way worse. And now I'm like more used to it. I'm just dramatic 24/7. So I'm always like, ugh. And it makes you feel healthy. Like you can say like, yeah, I take celery shots. Like, what do you do? So I do 6 of these. You can just drink it in a glass, but like I will not physically get through that. So the first thing we're gonna use is this sensitive probiotic dietary supplement powder from Smidge. And I just dump that in there. Okay, next we have vitamin A, and I fill it up to 0.25 milliliters. Then I take this and I squirt it into my shots. This is like the worst shot because it has all the stuff in it, but you only have to do this in 1 shot. Then I take my liquid D. This one I just do 2 little drops of it. Second shot, let's get it. The celery juice is like warm right now and I'm not even halfway through. Okay, third one. The last part to my acne routine is my skincare, which everyone should have a skincare routine. This may not work for you, but it is what has worked for me. I recommend trying it because I feel like it's a good starter for clearing your skin or just helping along with the process, because washing your face is obviously still so important. So for face wash, I use Murad, and it literally is called Clarifying Cleanser Acne Controlled. I literally just wash my face with it and then pat it dry. I also use this after my avocado mask. Absolutely love it. After I dry my face, I at only night use this. It's called The Ordinary. I know a lot of people use this brand for their acne. This is the niacinamide and zinc, and it's just a little dropper. So I just take this and I put a drop on my forehead, 2 drops on my cheeks, and then a drop on my chin. I rub that around. This makes my skin really glowy. I actually love how my skin looks at night because of this. Then after I use my Ordinary, I use this. It is a toner. You can use whatever toner. This one's from DV. I don't know, my facialist gave me this. And then for my moisturizer, this is my brother's moisturizer. I ran out of mine, but it's the same one. It's from Olas. So just use whatever moisturizer works for you. This is the one that I use. For me, this whole entire process, it took about 2 weeks to see results. And even when I went lactose free, it took like 5 days, I'd say, to see the bumps start to clear up. Like my skin just reacts really quickly and really well. But I am so blessed to have been able to find a solution, and I know it is so hard growing up when you have acne. If you guys want to clear it, try these steps. Check my description for all the different products, and I want you guys to remember again that this is not a brand deal. This is genuinely what worked for me and my favorite products that I have found so far. I love you guys so much. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you never miss a video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye-bye.